Office single open telescopic automatic door. 因关注 Bio Island. Door size 2.4米 2.5米 Passenger size 2.4米 2.2米 Opens to right, no fixed leaf. The door adopts brushed stainless steel frame and 10mm tempered glass. Automatic mode sensor open close. One-way open state sensor open when go out. Sensor is invalid when enter. Anti-pinch safety sensor. Normally open. Caesar DSD telescopic door. Operator runs smoothly and smoothly. Brake immediately when an obstacle is sensed. Safe and reliable.